How to fix Do Not Disturb on WhatsApp. So for this, all you have to do is go to Settings and then select Notifications. Now you will see this option Do Not Disturb. So just turn on the toggle button beside Do Not Disturb, and once you've enabled this feature, you will not be receiving any notifications from your applications. But if you want to receive notifications from WhatsApp while the Do Not Disturb feature is enabled, then just tap the App Notifications option. Now tap on Add Apps. Now you can search for WhatsApp by tapping on the icon found on the upper right corner. And then tap WhatsApp. Now hit Done. So by adding WhatsApp, you will be receiving notifications from this application even though you have enabled the Do Not Disturb feature. Meaning you won't be receiving notifications from your other applications except for WhatsApp. And so that is how you fix Do Not Disturb on WhatsApp. Thank you and have a great day.